Welcome to Vridhiwagefinance. And this week, if we see that the Trump economy has literally given a boosting to the NASDAQ while it is sustaining into the market. If you see, the last week we have predicted that there will be the downfall in the NASDAQ composite index and NASDAQ 100, which is we have given the validity for the week itself, but it wouldn't happen because in a day on 9th of April, if we see the chart analysis of composite index and NASDAQ 100, both the indices on the 9th of April has given thousands point of volatility. I mean, it has opened up on the 70,105 and it has gone up to 19,000. Sorry. Yeah, it has gone up to 19,000 somewhere, 192, something like that. And if you see the NASDAQ Composite Index has also opened up on the around 15,000 point, and it has gone up to 17,000. Yeah, 17,000 means 15,000 above to 17,000. It's a, isn't it? It has given one day, in a single day they have given a big shot. I mean, they have given literally the pickup of the week, we can say, and then there is a downfall in a drastic way on the next day around 500 points. So here is what the volatility, or it is purposely done, or what exactly they book the profit. We are unable to check out on that. If you know, let me know into the comments. You can check our previous video link in the into the comments. We are keeping this video for our idea that to understand that the chart analysis sometimes goes wrong. I mean to say that the we are not making this up and down in the stock market, isn't it? And that's the reason it. So yeah, we have seen one of the person has unsubscribed our YouTube channel. Yeah, we agree that see, look, when we give the analysis that is based on the some factor, but the tariff and the war of tariff is going between US and other countries including China is the biggest what economy which supplies so many goods across the world in different countries. And yes, US makes the brand. I mean, they buy it from the China, they put it their tag on that and make it American brands. So anyways, we are not against anybody. Everybody do the business one another way and book the profit, book the money, or do the employment, etc., and boost their economy. Our is idea is to have basically to do the analysis, understand the market, and we know that our YouTube audience is very intelligent people from the few elements. So, anyways, the predictions for NASDAQ Composite Index and NASDAQ 100, which will be valid from 14th of April 2025 till 19th of the April 2025. Hopefully, this week our strategy will sustain into the market. I guess so. So anyways, we also have a 8 video today. Yeah, we are always giving this I mean, giving this in the sense we are always keeping something like this will happen, that will happen, etc., etc. But if we say is that, I mean, we are not the last word, no, on the in this whole world. So, anyways, we will see what will happen in the Nasdaq indices. Will it sustain it? Yes or no into the comment, you can check out. Yeah, you can see that downfall which have we have recommended in last week, but it will take 1 or 2 months in between to stabilize the economy, to gain the correction into the market. It's like dumping a number of shares into the market is strategizing one another way to put down some countries. Yeah, we understand that. Anyways, we will not go against any administration commenting like that. So we says that this is the strategy. I mean, Trump administration is quite challenging for everyone, for all countries, not only all countries, but their own nation even, because drastic changes can happen within a day, within a week, but sustaining market is very challenging. Are you agree with our opinion? Let me know into the comment. We have seen there are a number of media speak about the war. The war is about trade war, war about is Israel, with the US, Tehran. US is targeting Muslim Islamic country, and all this news is published by the media. Is it true or not? We are not aware about it, but the media has portraying a lot of things. And yes, absolutely, the Trump administration is rude towards the traders, or towards exactly what they're unable to handle their own economy. What exactly is going on? Because the tariff war has, I mean, I don't mean to say the US Iran wars next. People are predicting like that. Why it's so much about the trade, about Islamic country, or why there is no peace is involved in that, why the market is going down, why this is happening. So we will not go into the war analysis, because war is not like the game. Okay, it's like a cricket. It's not like a cricket. One person here is the people lose their money, house, people lose their money, not only their life. So it's all about, we believe in humanity. So that's the reason we do only chart analysis. Eat bread and butter and do chart analysis. So, anyways, guys, the predictions for NASDAQ Composite Index and NASDAQ 100, which will be valid from the 7th of April 2025 till 13th of April 2025. The composite index maximum higher end it can goes up to 16,450, where it can show some sort of stability around 15,000 uh, 50. Minimum it can goes down up to 14,850. So maximum higher end Nasdaq 100 can goes up to 70,750 point. It can show some sort of stability around 17,000, where it can goes up to downfall up to 16,850 points or below that. So do you believe with our predictions? Let me know into the comments, because see, look, what we have expecting this market will fall out as expect all the analysis or the factors which affecting the relationship with the US administration and other countries administration. That's it what we can speak about it right now. So it's your wish to speak what and how and when it will be happen. Just check out our previous video where we have predicted the number of goods prices going to uptrend. I mean, the volatility of good prices will be high. Not volatility, the price will be rise very soonly on each product. Okay, so do you believe it? Let me know into the comments of that video of the last week, not this week. Okay, and check out our crypto blast channel too. Very soonly we will speak about the coin analysis chart. So the predictions for NASDAQ Composite Index and NASDAQ 100, which will be valid from the 14th of April 2025 till 19th of April 2025. The Composite Index can goes up to 17,450. We have given the good amount of volatility of 2,000 points over years. Can show the stability around 16,050, and if it is goes down, it can goes below 15,850 point, where NASDAQ 100, which will be goes up to maximum 19,750 point, and suppose it give you a stability flat trend around 18,000 point, and this is minimum lower end, it can goes around 70,550 point. Why we have given this volatility? Because this is the month of April and Good Friday is coming too, so hopefully there will be a lot of changes will happen in this whole month. I believe it 1 or 2 months you will see there is a lot of changes will happen to sustain their own market. There are number of company will suffer, number of businesses will be suffer, which is existing in the US, which is existing in other countries. Yes, absolutely. And some of the company may book the profit on the spot even. So let us see what, how, and it will work. So anyways guys, we will give an equity analysis very soonly, and just wait and watch. We have a very good amount of ideas, and yes, special video on Tesla. I believe it. We are also like a media channel who is doing like every weekend there's Tesla, Tesla, Tesla. We have come up back with the, after 3 months, I guess, whatever our predictions has up to certain limit has become so true. You can check out our previous video on equity shares. So very soonly we will launch other videos about other companies, and we will revise the videos about whatever we have recommended an equity analysis. So believe it, we have to contain, we have to think that like a daily basis we have to put it. No, we will available on only on a Friday, Saturday and Sunday. Let's see what we can deliver to the market, how our analysis has become so true. Yes, people are angry, but we are not administration of Trump, no. So we can't tell. Our YouTube channel is based on chart analysis. We are we are not consultant in US. So we are from India, and that's the reason our some of the predictions may fail because like the person who sits outside the ground and the person who sit inside the ground has a different frame of references, isn't it? Thank you by Finance. You can check our 8 other videos about the new target for the previous share, which I have recommended in the month of November, October, September. I think since August we have recommended equity. I believe it. So let us see what our equity analysis has failed and how it has been failed and where it is going right now. So we have a new target. Let's close the previous chapter and start the new fresh up in 2025 in the month of April. Change is required. Do you believe a change is required? Yes, because the way everything going on, we think that, anyways, what we think is not matter. Happy Sunday and happy weekend. Enjoy our YouTube channel and like, share, subscribe, and comment it. We are waiting for the comment, but intelligent comments. Okay, I mean intelligent in the sense the people who can challenge it, that you can recommend it something, and if it is happen, if it doesn't happen, it doesn't happen. We are human do mistakes, even the machines do mistakes, errors comes. Just understand it. Have a great day. Bye bye.